upper limit and then the bottom hole pressure lower limit. Because we use bottom hole pressure as the control mode, the most important thing is the 400, not the 3 or the 6,000, right? Because the setting will be based on bottom hole pressure. That's what we set here. You can also change it to liquid rate or oil rate if you want by changing the keyword here. So let's go to wconprod. Okay, so you can change it to, for example, for liquid rate, LRAT or ORAT. But in this case, let's go back to bottom hole pressure. And then well stray. So this is for the well stream. We use it for the injection, especially injected gas. The stream name is inch gas. So we have 5 components. The first one is CO2, meaning that we will inject gas with this composition, 98% CO2, and then 1% C1N2, and so on and so forth. W inch gas, we will apply this stream onto this injector. That's the meaning of W inch gas. And the next thing is already discussed, W con inch, meaning the setting for injection, and the dates, meaning that we will move across time using these time steps. Okay, so everything has been said. Multi-segment, well, no. Economic limit, oh, okay, so we have WE count, though it's not really important maybe, but you have WE econ here. Well, economics if you want. So for production, 10 minimum oil production. So this is the, economic limit, right? So to speak. And then this one is maximum water cut, and then maximum gas oil rate, and then stop simulation flag, workover procedure. Okay, so we will perform workover procedure when we have the water cut exceeding this value or GOR exceeding this value. Okay, and this one, prod well nameplate, well list, or well list template. So basically, these economics will be applicable for all producers. But because we only have one producer with the name prod1, so this setting will be applied to that producer. So that's why you have the name here, prod and star. Okay, so everything with the name prod and something like prod1 or prod2, prod3, in case you have the naming like this and the number of the wells, it will follow this setting. The minimum oil rate, the maximum water rate, the maximum gas oil rate, and so on and so forth. Okay, and then group operation, network, no, other, yeah, this is run control. Okay, and well stray, injection stream composition, the name of the stream, inch gas. This is for component 1, component 2, component 3, component 4, component 5. And then you combine all operation, you have this. So basically it's not very complicated. Now, as usual, I think I'm going to show you the saturation of oil. So we start with homogeneous distribution of saturation, 0.88. And maybe we can start from this. Average, start from this value, color by contour line. Or maybe this is more beautiful. Uncheck the show grid. Oh no. Uncheck the grid line and let's run. It will take some time.